In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Friyay's team tools. Friyay has three team tools: Team Plan, Team Day, and Team Results. First is Team Plan. So what is this tool for? Team Plan lets you see the weekly work assigned to each team member. This way, you can see what each team member has on their plate every week. Let's see how that works. When team members add tasks to their weekly plan, it will show up in the team plan. For example, I'm going to go add a task to my plan. Now when we go back to the team plan, you'll see that that task has been added here. If team members are assigned tasks for multiple projects in the workspace, those will also show in those team members' plan. For example, here's our latest marketing project. I'm going to assign some tasks to both Sarah and Taylor. Now let's go back to the team plan. As you can see, those tasks have been added to those team members' plan for the week. Team Plan is also a really quick way to assign tasks to your team. Go to the team member to quickly add a new task to their plan. Team Plan is set to weeks by default, but you can change it to another time frame, like 2 weeks, daily, or monthly. You can go here to select team members to add to the team plan, and here to change the layout. Team Plan gives every team member focus and clarity so they can start executing. Now everyone knows who's working on what, and the team is better connected. Now let's check out Team Day. So what is this tool for? It shows you any activity that took place today, so you get a sense of what's been moving on a daily basis. For example, for every team member, you can see the number of cards created, completed, and which cards need updates or attention. Go here to change the time frame. And here to add team members. Then there's Team Results. This tool shows you the completion of the work for each week. So if the work planned for this week is at X%, it shows it in the column for this week. And it also shows the percent completion of tasks week by week. This gives everyone on the team a very clear view on progress. If something is falling behind in 1 week, you'll know right away. That concludes this tutorial on Team Tools. Thanks for watching.